and I remember my ass shattering due to that. डेप्थ में जाओगे and again आपको complexity मिलेगी, problems मिलेगी. So hi everyone, myself Amrit Prakash and I'm currently a fresher at IIT Roorkee. And यार मैं भी एक टाइम पे जे एस्पिरेंट था ऑफ कोर्स एंड उस समय मुझे फाइनेंस के टॉपिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. और यार ऑफ कोर्स लेक्चर्स देखना उतना बहुत ज़्यादा बोरिंग होता है, सो आई यूज टू वॉच पॉडकास्ट. एंड इन वन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट आई केम अक्रॉस दिस क्रिप्टो करेंसी कंसेप्ट एंड एट दैट टाइम इट वॉज एक्चुअली बूमिंग. बहुत तेज़ी से प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा था एंड सडनली डिप्ड. सो इस सब के बारे में हम लोग अगले नेक्स्ट पार्ट में बात करेंगे, बट इस पार्ट में जस्ट आई वांट टू गिव यू कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट. सो यार इस वीडियो में ऑफ कोर्स आप बहुत सारे लोग फाइनेंस में लाइक इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं एंड बहुत सारे लोग हो सकता है कि ट्रेडिंग शुरू करना चाहते होंगे एज अ जेई एस्पिरेंट, राइट. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस टू ट्रेड एज एन एस्पिरेंट, व्हाट वाज द लर्निंग्स, what are the ifs and buts, and of course what is my opinion whether as an aspirant should you trade or not. So we'll look at all these aspects. And yeah, again, I'm no professional, so whatever I say in this video, don't take it as like a trick or something and don't implement it. It was just a random guess which turned out to be correct. Yes, I made a profit, but don't take it seriously. It was just a random guess. And again, these are the learnings in this video are much more useful than the things I did, right? So let's start this video. So hi everyone, so again we are starting this video. So as you can see here, this is the Ethereum curve, right? And here is my CoinDCX transaction history. So you can see here I made my first investment on 28th of May. So I watched this podcast by Ranveer Alabadia, and in this video he was talking about cryptocurrency with one of the, I don't know who was he, I can't remember his name, but he was one of the significant figure in this cryptocurrency space, right? So you can see here, this was my first buying of cryptocurrency, and I bought of course 100 rupees of Ethereum. And then on 28th of May again I bought a 400 rupees of Bitcoin. So my strategy was to invest in a 4:1 ratio, right? And then again, so see, you can see here the price dipped down, so I bought it at 1,95,000, the first in Ethereum, and 28 lakh rupee of Bitcoin, right? And then again the price went down and I bought more Ethereum. I don't know why, because of course it will go up, right? And here you can see 1,81,000, and then this then again it went to 2 lakh. So I again bought it because I I saw that it was increasing, right? So I followed the market trend and bought again. And now on again I left this money for this much of time, and it was very hard. I will show you why. Here I sold this Bitcoin on 8th of October at 42 lakh, like it is 42 lakh 12,000, and this Ethereum at 27 lakh 2 lakh 78,000. So you can see I sold it, and now again I currently have zero money invested in cryptocurrency. So again you can see here, so it's no strategy, don't implement it. So you can see here, so my first investment was on 28th of May, right? So here you can see during this 28th of May, so I watched this video a few days ago, and it was like over here 3 lakh, right? And I watched, and after that it dipped down. I knew that it has some value associated to it, and I learned that Warren Buffett said if you get anything at a lower cost, and at that time I felt it has a lower cost than its actual market value, so I bought it. And then after that you can see the price could move down, and it went as low as 1,33,000. I remember my ass shattering due to that. And then after that it went up, and yeah, I was relaxed. But again, during this time my mental health was like very fucked up. Then again, this Bitcoin graph you can see, so again both of them dipped down at the same time. I don't know why. So it was at 41 lakh when I was watching the video, and then it suddenly dipped down, and I again felt that it has some value associated to it, and I bought it. And you can see after that so many ups and downs, and it's like it's very like what can I say. So after that you can see it went up suddenly, and as soon as I went up I sold it. Why? Because I don't want so much of pressure on my head. And you can see here I sold it at 42 lakh on 8th of October, because I decided I don't want to continue. And you can see if you calculate it, I think it's somewhere 90%, or at least 90, more than 90% return. So yeah, I got a good return, but yeah, I won't again recommend this kind of strategy. And that's it. So that's all for the strategy and motivation part, and now let's move to the ifs and buts and the lessons I learned and all that. So let's move to that. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इफ्स एंड बट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यार, आप जब भी ऐसे कहीं भी ट्रेडिंग या इन्वेस्टमेंट का सोचो तो पहले नॉलेज ज़्यादा रखो यार. देखो मेरे केस में क्या था, बहुत मेरे केस में नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा कम थी, विच नाउ आई रियलाइज दिस थिंग, बट एट दैट टाइम आई थॉट ओके आई हैव एनफ नॉलेज बिकॉज आई वॉच सम पॉडकास्ट, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट? सो यू शुड हैव मच मोर नॉलेज देन मी इन ऑर्डर लाइक टू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Secondly, yeah, don't invest more than your appetite. Of course, you are students, you don't have an appetite to invest actually, so you will use your parents money, but again, don't use so much that you regret doing that again, right? And thirdly, yeah, ki don't take this video as your like trick to do that, right? So price dipped and you invested and price dipped more, so again what? And see, the fourth thing is like I sold it, right? Because I don't want that pressure on my head again. So it is very fluctuating market, there is no science behind it, there is nothing that you can read about it, it's uncontrollable, you have no chart, no data, nothing. Now when I know something about stock market and all, I understand that investing in cryptocurrency is like a blind gamble, which might can go right and might cannot go right, right? So you should have much more knowledge than I had before investing, right? So these are the 4 ifs and buts that you must consider. And again, let's move to the lessons. So now let's talk about the lessons. So first lesson that is very common, which many people tell, is invest not trade, right? So my objective was कि like 4 दिन में dip किया है तो अब 4 दिन में ऊपर उठ जाएगा and I will take out my money, and that's like all holy, right? And it didn't happen. Actually क्या हुआ कि जब dip किया तो और नीचे गया and you of course watched in the video, right? So it is not like that. So if I wouldn't have kept my money for that long, it would have actually been the loss, right? So go with the intention of like investing. So things go up, the prices of things go up actually in the long term, and they actually make you a profit. But if you are within intention of trade, it might so happen that you incur a loss. And of course, if you don't know about high frequency trading firms, so they are doing a lot of transactions actually, and there is no way you can win from them. So if you go trading short term, you are much more likely to lose if you don't have enough knowledge, and there are many big boys in that field. So yeah, I'm using some of the much more used knowledge, but again, these are the things which I personally learned from this thing. Again, my capital was very less, but still this is what I learned. And now let's talk about the big question, whether as a JE aspirant you should invest in cryptocurrency in any form of trading or not. So my answer will be no, you should not, because see, if you invest, you will of course read more, you need to know much more than I know, and actually much more that it can affect, in that it can impact your studies, right? You are aspirants, you should first clear college, go to clear JE, go to college, then you will have enough time to all that, right? I know many people have this interest in finance, but understand the brain process. It is just making you to quit this hard thing of JE and get into some new things. So आप जब भी कोई नई चीज़ चालू करोगे तो ऑफकोर्स उसके कुछ बेसिक्स होंगे जो आपको आसानी से समझ में आएंगे, तो आपको ब्रेन को अगेन डोपामाइन रिलीज होगा कि यार ये तो उससे आसान चीज़ है, इसमें मेरे को इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. बट अगेन जब आप उसके डेप्थ में जाओगे, अगेन आपको कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी मिलेगी, प्रॉब्लम्स मिलेगी. तो यार हर चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. आप ऐसे क्विट, जैसे आप इसको ये मत सोचो कि आप यही क्विट करके फाइनेंस में चले जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं होता, कोई गारंटी नहीं है इस बात की. सो लाइक परस्यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. इफ यू आर वेरी गुड एट फाइनेंस, देन ओनली क्विट इट. Okay, and of course I had no plan of quitting JE for finance. It was just a fun experience, but again it was a great learning for me, it was a great experience for me, and that's why I think it will be valuable to everyone. And if you're watching this video till end, I think you like this video, so do like this video and do subscribe. And यार डिस्क्रिप्शन में इंस्टाग्राम का शायद लिंक या हैंडल मैंने दे दिया है, तो आप उसको जाके भी मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो. और अगर आप JE स्टूडेंट हो तो मुझसे JE रिलेटेड डाउट्स भी पूछ सकते हो. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड बाय.